Hello, today we're going to make a salsa using some of these small tomatoes of various colors, kind of cool, and some cilantro, chopped onion, chopped jalapeno. Very easy to make. We're going to put it in the blender and then we're going to cook it down. Here we go. Okay, so I have the jalapeno and onion in the blender. I've removed the stems from the cilantro and we're going to get that in the blender. And we'll move on to the tomatoes. Okay, everything's in the blender, and now we're going to add some garlic powder. So a little sprinkle, 1 dash of cumin, and some kosher salt. Good sprinkle of that. Off to the blender it goes. Okay, everything is blended and we have a pan here heating with some avocado oil in it, just a little bit, and we're going to add our salsa. I am also going to squeeze in some lime juice. Another one. I like a little acid in there. And then I'm going to add 1 cube of sugar. You don't have to, but sometimes it just helps bring out the flavor. There we go. So, stir that in and let it start simmering. Okay, our salsa is at a simmer now, and we are just going to simmer this until some of that liquid cooks away. I would say probably about 15 minutes will do. We'll see. Let you know. Okay, our salsa is complete. It simmered roughly 15 minutes, and now we'll just chill it up and we'll have it to serve with chips or with our meals. Delicious stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Bye.